Intense 5 turn up this week. What we got? Despite being injured and having to undergo minor surgery, the Bond movie with no name is still on track. Bond injured himself here in Jamaica and had to be rushed to Florida for treatment.
So, Kim and Kanye are parents again, this time to Sam West. Oh, and they've already trademarked the name. Apparently Sam will be used on products such as baby carriages, strollers, makeup, and even keyrings.
Wow. So Whitney Houston is going on tour. Well, a hologram of her at least. The hologram of the singer will tour with her original band and backup singers, and new music will be released. This should be very interesting.
Yeah. Holy Mountain featuring Movado, Buju Banton, Sizzla and DJ Khaled is now the trending video on YouTube. Khaled released his album last week and it's making waves. I'm so happy for them.
And finally holding the spot this week, Shenseea, ya large. She's the first female Jamaican artist to be signed to a label. It was announced after she released her video with foreign rapper Tiger.
Hey.
Good job, girl. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.
Up next, T3M shows us why Jarrett Lane is focused on music. Intense soon forward.